Hey everyone, in this video we're going to see how you can programmatically trigger an SNS AI agent using PHP. By the end of this video, you'll have an SNS AI agent for account security updates that your PHP application can trigger over HTTP using Plivo. First, let's build the agent. Once you've logged in, get started by building your AI agent in a single click. Under Build Your First Use Case, select No-Code Conversational Agents. When Vibe Agent screen launches, you can simply type your prompt to define what you want the AI agent to do. Let's create an HTTP-triggered SNS AI agent that supports account security workflows. The agent should support users with common account security interactions. It should proactively notify users about important security events, assist them in resolving access-related issues, verify identity when required, and guide them through secure recovery steps in a clear and structured manner. Hit Enter to build the flow, and once ready, click Publish to activate your SMS agent. Now open the API Request Trigger node. Plivo generates the endpoint URL your systems will call. Below that, you'll see the API Auth ID and API Auth token. These are the credentials your app will use via basic auth, so only trusted apps can trigger this agent. Under API Request Details, define the schema for the payload your backend will post whenever an account is temporarily locked due to multiple unsuccessful login attempts. Next, click on the language drop-down on the right. For this video, let's select PHP. Plivo generates a ready-made PHP snippet that uses the correct endpoint URL, auth ID, auth token, and all the fields you defined in the payload. Use this snippet as a standalone PHP script or from within your application to make an HTTP post request to the agent endpoint whenever an account lock event occurs. Now let's test it locally. Paste the PHP snippet into a new file, save it, and run it from your terminal. It sends a post request to your agent's URL and immediately triggers your SMS AI agent. Now let's see how it works. As soon as the system detects multiple failed login attempts made by the customer, the user automatically receives an SMS on their phone. And that's it. Your SMS AI agent for account security updates is fully deployed. From this point on, whenever your PHP application calls the HTTP endpoint, Plivo will trigger the agent and securely assist users with account access issues using Plivo.